Good afternoon, everyone. This is cooking of pancit canton. Simple pancit canton. Then the sachet of flavor of pancit canton. Let's open it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Easy to get. Just put the denominator of 2. Then bring down 1. Then halo-halo sachet. Then Armageddon. This is a pancit canton. Kaya kung sino man gusto sa inyo dyan, magpakanton na sa akin. Laki ah. This is my assistant. My good assistant.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. Miss the Chef JJ. Chef JJ. Chef JJ.